Catloco. So today we about to get a little rain test, see if this flex tape holds up in the rain. Got the patches up there. And so today I was gonna scrub the floor, but I saw we were getting thunderstorms and I didn't really want to be caught out here with the rain and stuff, so most of this will be getting fixed this weekend. If not later today, definitely tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this stuff up. What I'm thinking is I'm gonna wire brush the back, coat the back, try and coat this tunnel, and then the areas where the pans are going, I'm gonna leave those exposed. I may clean up a little bit, but I mean, ain't no point a lot of this getting cut out. So I can't find the rear pans, so more than likely I'm gonna have to make those. And then the front pans, I ordered a set off eBay. They're 160 bucks for a pair, which ain't too bad, but I've seen cheaper before. That's the game plan. See if the roof leaks with the tape. If it does leak with the tape, honestly the roof may be the first thing to get fixed before the floors. The roof may go in, the panoramic roof might go in. I know Steve Davis, he about to put his in too, so I don't know, I might have to link up with him and watch him do it. But yeah, so this is stuff I buy. This is some flex tape, rubberized waterproof tape. It's raining right now, so anyway, just checking in, let you know. Floors are ordered. The back, I'll worry about that later. And then this is gonna be get coated hopefully tomorrow. But this your boy. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.